What to do if you can't log in to GoDaddy. If you're having trouble logging into your GoDaddy account, follow these troubleshooting steps to regain access. Step 1. Check your credentials, double-check username or email, ensure you are entering the correct GoDaddy username or email address. Verify password. Re-enter your password carefully. Passwords are case-sensitive. Step 2. Reset your password. Click Forgot Password on the GoDaddy login page. GoDaddy login. Enter your email or username. Provide the email or username linked to your account. Follow reset instructions. Check your email for a password reset link and follow the instructions. Step 3. Clear browser cache and cookies. Clear cache and cookies. In your web browser, clear cache, cookies, and site data. Try a different browser. Use a different browser, Chrome, Firefox, Safari, to see if the issue persists. Step 4. Disable browser extensions. Turn off extensions. Disable ad blockers or security extensions that might interfere with GoDaddy's website functionality. Step 5. Check internet connection. Ensure you have a stable internet connection and try loading the GoDaddy website on another device. Step 6. Verify two-factor authentication. 2FA, enabled or disable 2FA. If two-factor authentication is enabled, ensure you are receiving the authentication code via SMS, email, or an authenticator app. Step 7. Contact GoDaddy support. If none of the above steps work, contact GoDaddy customer support, phone support, call GoDaddy support. Chat support, use their live chat option on the GoDaddy website.